That's what I was telling Andy. I was like, dude, when Battlefield comes out, I'm gonna feel so fucking slow because, like, you know, that game's
Oh,
a little
yeah.
bit more realistic.
Yes.
I mean, I'm
right,
still
yeah.
excited, but
It's not an arcade shooter, so you're gonna
Yeah.
feel like you actually have to like it's
We're
more
being
tactical.
lit by this
Lay down.
helicopter. This fucking
Survive!
helicopter is roasting
Oh.
us.
Take him out! He's in the air! Oh, that guy's fucked. Yeah, he's
what the
fucked.
fuck is going on?
What happened to me? What happened to me?
You're in the
Like a
fucking
whole
back of the
fucking-
truck
Jeremy's-
by yourself, Jeremy.
What the
Gosh, I
fuck?
just had 2 paratroopers just fucking
Just,
with
like,
their doom,
jump out
dude.
of the truck, Jeremy.
Oh, I love it.
Do what?
All you gotta do
Jeremy
is
shows
jump
up
out
at the
truck.
end of the fucking massacre.
What happened to me?
He's like, what? What's going on?
I didn't see my body, dude. As all I saw was truck.
Behind us, behind
Oh,
us. I'm
shit.
getting
Yeah, Marshall,
blasted.
there's a guy up above him on the rocks.
Where's this clown?
What the?
Yeah.
I'm so glad I have
What's
this whole thing
Oh
recorded.
shit, I'm coming back, boys.
Yeah, most wanted, baby.
Fuck yes.
There's a perfectly good
Can't guarantee you
C-58